do really like the view. Wow, I love it. And then, I love this mirror. Good morning, vlog.
Hey, vloggy vlogs.
We are heading to go see some houses. No, I don't think it is.
It looks like it's in slow-mo.
Is it in slow-mo? You want me to check?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No, it's not in slow-mo. Anna's driving. She's not supposed to be driving, but I had to finish my mascara. But we're late.
We're going to go look at some.
You know, she was chilling in bed at like 10, 11. And I was like, wait a second.
But
Don't we have to
quick,
see
though.
something? Yes. But actually, no, I got dressed pretty quick because, you know, it usually takes me an hour.
Yeah.
And I did this in like 15, 20 minutes. And I made breakfast.
Well, fun fact, I have not experienced South Carolina really as an adult. I don't really feel like, I feel like that's a fair statement. I haven't really feel it.
Because you didn't drive around?
Exactly, I haven't driven around. So, and I definitely haven't experienced like homes in South Carolina aside from our own home. And so this will be pretty fun. I'm looking for property now. I know what you guys are thinking. Anna, didn't you just get a house? Yes, I did. But as we are winding down to the end of that property, it's time for me to start thinking about what's next. And I would like to ideally go and get another rental property. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a few rental properties close to my alma mater, University of South Carolina, which is so cool. That's literally been a dream of mine since I went to USC. So yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys along with us throughout the day. And yes, we are running pretty far behind.
We left at the time we should have been there.
Yeah, so we'll be a little late, but it's okay. I think it'll be really fun, really quick, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me through the process, with us through the process, because this will be your first time touring and looking at homes.
Yeah,
here, right?
I've never done that. I've always like signed up just so they can leave me alone, not so I can actually go in and look. But yeah, so that's what you guys are getting to see. Goodbye.
Let's go.
Yeah, this one is really nice. Wow, I love it.
I love that.
Oh, that's so nice. Be like a... everybody likes it type thing.
Exactly. Like you don't have to move in and like, hey,
Yeah,
this is at 32. So this is gonna be your biggest one. The next one's gonna be 2-2. So 4 acres down the road.
I love this mirror. Look how pretty. Rooms are nice size too. I do like that. And then closet space.
That have not had upgrades. They have carpet in the rooms.
Yeah.
Carpet all the way to the back.
Wait, is that an extra closet?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, because the other one didn't have that closet, and the other one has a mirror on the closet too. But I like it. And then the bathroom.
Like some of us.
I love this design. Like this design is really nice. I like it because you know I don't really like details. Oh, this is so cute. I love the gold detailing. That's so cute. Wow. They did a good job with like the smaller space, like fitting that in there.
That's nice.
So, but this doesn't come furnished. This is just,
This is just one stage.
okay. It's under construction? What's the cleaning stuff? Okay.
Maybe they're adding some new windows.
Oh, it is. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna slide in the kitchen first because the kitchen is literally.
This is 1100.
This is so cute.
Is 410. So the first one that we looked at is 483 because it's a little bit bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one's 410. And then this one's listed at 167. Well, I like this one better than the other one.
I actually do. Kind of don't want to even walk in here with.
Yeah, I know. See this one in here?
I don't know.
Man.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
That's so nice.
Oh.
I'm glad I walked in.
I was like, come on, you can't just like pick your head. I think it's a closet.
Oh yeah, it's like.
I was like,
big
oh, that's a
remodel.
shower?
Yeah.
That's the shower doors. Or something.
Oh, over
Maybe
here.
they're replacing it?
Yeah, the shower doors were over here.
Okay.
That's so nice.
Look how tall we are now.
Wait,
In
where's
comparison to the
so
Right?
washer and dryer? Yeah,
Look how tall we are.
washer and dryer though. For any of the units, I just realized I haven't seen any
Downstairs.
downstairs. Okay.
Oh yeah, they gotta put the shower. Slide
The doors.
Mhm. I don't know.
Okay, so they have the same doors I like.
No, yeah, these doors are better. Much better than the ones upstairs.
I actually,
though.
I can't complain about this versus the built-in that they had for the other one.
Why?
I'm usually against it because it has the holes in them.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I just think the look of it better.
Yeah,
Like,
I
it's
do
more
too.
seamless.
I do too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw those. I saw those storage. Yeah, all of these are so low.
Like, how do you watch it? Ask for that unless it's in something major, you know? You know, like, that's as far as we're still, right?
Well, I mean, I guess not. It's just like completely different material. Actually, it's just honestly just missing the front.
Yeah, I know. But I don't know why
You don't like that?
No, it's just not what they call me in college.
Oh yeah, I remember looking at this. Is this purple?
Yeah.
I think it's gray. Hold on. That's what I thought it was.
It looks purple. It looks like Lauren's
It's like a
room.
purplish gray.
Mhm. And the doors have not been updated. Nothing's been updated.
So yeah, that one.
So what? I have a ceiling fan. I do not like ceiling fans. Okay. The view. So good.
This
So
is better
good.
than, this is better than the views we've seen, so.
Wow. I do really like the view. That's really good. Wait, what can you see from here? I'm so glad. Gosh.
You're the one, the first one
The
that
first
walked out.
one.
I should have let
Spider
someone else
webs?
walk out. No, I'm pretty sure that was a wasp. Yeah, it's right there.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I really like the view.
Wait,
10 out of 10.
what are we looking at?
How do you get this light off? Hmm? You're okay.
Did it bite you? Did it sting you? No.
But it's stings right now.
I think you're afraid.
Yeah, you can really see the purple with this orange light. You okay, buddy? Yeah, hand sanitizer.
Oh, it stings.
Wait, hold on.
That's just HVAC.
Yeah.
This is my storage.
Mm-hmm.
So it'd be easy to like update all the different knobs and finish.
Yeah, but I also don't really like the floors.
There's no light fixtures in any of the rooms, so you probably have to install everyone in
Oh wow. Yeah. Wait, so
Hi guys, I just got stung by a wasp. I'm going to die. Not really. We're looking at the next place. Let me show you. I got stung. Oh my gosh. No, so you get what you pay for. That's
I like this bathroom.
You get wallpaper. You like that wallpaper? It's kind of like reminds me of the medieval times.
Hey, the wallpaper is coming. It's probably a little
Oh,
bit,
yeah.
you know. I'm not warm yet. I'm not sweating.
So this is the exterior part. So this is like the pigment table, and parking is over there, and then pool over here.
So let me tell you exactly what they
These are the older ones. Wait, are these new too? Yeah, these are new.
Newer ones. You happy?
like
You
ballet.
Non-gym. This is like a LS.
Yeah. So they're renovating this. They're gonna update this. Alright guys, so we are all done looking at 3 different condos. I think we got enough clips of all 3.
Actually, I got a lot.
Okay,
all 3,
and I got a couple too, and I showed you when I got stung by a wasp.
The first one was a 3-bed, 2-bath. Wow, it's so pretty down here. But let's go into a different vlog, so I'm ready to end this one. The first one was 3-bed, 2-bath. It was so pretty. I definitely thought it was so pretty. And then the second one was the second nicest, and it was 2-bed, 2-bath. But they were so close to price, it wouldn't make sense for me to go with the second one over the first one.
Yeah.
Because that's knocking out a whole room and knocking out rent. The third, I gotta park somewhere.
The third one was horrible.
Yeah, the third one was pretty ugly, except for the view. It had the best view.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You will see that.
Also, the apartment complex, the unit, was further away from campus than I thought it would be. Well, it felt further away. And so that's another thing that I didn't like. So I'm just going to keep looking. Just going to keep being in the market.
Thanks so much for watching.
No, stop. But, I mean, I'm going to go look at more property soon. So definitely stay tuned. This will be a whole series. I'm so excited. But now, thank you all so much for watching. We're going to pick today up in a different vlog, a weekend vlog. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here. Bye, guys.